have a brunch. We will have a brunch. Let's go. This is a Bentleigh area. It's beautiful suburb in Melbourne. Very close from city, maybe 30 minutes by train. Let's go explore this area. It's Christmas time. Ding, 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 ding. In the Christmas, people like put ornaments on the trees, streets, like this. Welcome to Santa Claus! Christmas ornaments. So, we arrived in Bentleigh. Have anything here?
Yeah.
Look at these shoes. We are in YAM in Bentleigh.
Any good?
Wow.
Good?
Wow. Wow.
So good?
The best. It's a Chinese dumpling, ginger and brown. Let's taste. Yummy. I love ginger and brown. This combination is perfect. Brunch is like one mix, and then brunch. No, and the breakfast and the lunch together. Breakfast and lunch in the middle.
Yeah.
It's very hot. Dumpling, spinach dumpling. Let's taste. Wow. Really nice, beautiful. Wow.
Bentleigh.
It's a good suburb. Many coffee shops, restaurants, different stores, good price. Have anything. You need something, go to Bentleigh. I like very much Bentleigh.